So you're in the cloud for speed to market, agility, and elasticity. All good things. But are you achieving these goals? It's harder than anyone expected, right? Managing cloud infrastructure at scale is complex. Cloud native, microservice applications only add to that complexity. Are you relying on cost overruns to mitigate performance risks? Has it been difficult to implement automation and operate at scale? Applications define the modern business, which is why application performance is more important than ever. But operational excellence in the cloud is not easy. The complexity of operating at scale has left too many cloud teams struggling to deliver the promise of agility and elasticity. They instead find themselves forced to direct attention and precious resources to controlling cloud cost overruns, symptoms of the larger issue. It's impossible for people to continuously determine the exact compute, storage, and database configurations for cloud applications. And yet, they put their best, most brilliant people in the organization on the tedious task of reviewing and trying to correlate immense amounts of data from different tools built to solve different problems, attempting to make decisions on where and how they can reduce cost. Instead, the fundamental question that needs to be asked and answered is, how do you continuously match application demand to cloud resources? What if you could treat the illness, not just the symptom? What if you could have software determine the exact compute, storage, and database instances or templates your applications need? What if you could integrate those actions into your operational workflows, responsibly increasing automation and improving speed to market by as much as 40%? And what if you could always see how dynamic resourcing impacts the response time of your mission-critical applications? Turbonomic helps DevOps, SRE, and cloud teams continuously assure application performance, both traditional and cloud native, on any cloud. Applications get exactly what they need to perform, no more, no less. The cloud promised pay for what you use. With Turbonomic, customers can reduce cloud spend by up to 30 to 50%. They only pay for what they need, not what they overallocate. What's more, it's the only platform smart enough to give you the specific actions of what to do and when to do it, so you can actually automate cloud resources. Only with Turbonomic can software continuously match real-time application demand to the public cloud's unprecedented number of configuration options across compute, storage, and database, as well as account for reservations, whether you bought them and need to use them, or are purchasing them to further optimize your cloud investments. This is how customers improve application performance by as much as 20%. Whether you're on AWS, Azure, GCP, or a hybrid or multi-cloud combination, we've got you covered. Kubernetes? That too. Any flavor, be it EKS, AKS, GKE, OpenShift, the list goes on. With Turbonomic, your cloud investments are smarter, automation is easier, and finally, the promise of agility, elasticity, and speed to market can be realized.